Have you ever come home from a trip and unloaded your bag and it looks something like this? You've got photos, you've got money, postcards, brochures, and instead of putting those away in a drawer, what if you grabbed Graphic 45's new travel album with inserts and you loaded them up in here instead? Hello crafters, it's Charee with Graphic 45, and in this video I'm excited to give you a closer look into the craft travel album with inserts. One of my favorite things about this album is that it's a nice craft heavy duty cover, but with the craft it gives you endless options. You can of course cover it with your gorgeous Graphic 45 papers like we've done here with our Adventure Awaits album kit. You can shop this kit on our website at g45papers.com and get all the supplies to create this travel album. Or you could take your paint markers, you could draw all over that, you could use your washi tapes and really personalize it. You could grab stickers from along the road on your trip and add them to here as well. So it's really a blank canvas just waiting for you. Let me walk you through this cover. So it's got this great elastic band that's going to keep it all shut, along with this great wraparound cover. So the wraparound's great for keeping everything inside your travel album and keeping it all safe. There's an elastic binding system here. Some great space to really personalize this cover. On the inside, you can see there's those elastics. Those are the channels for taking on your notebooks. So you can take out these notebooks anytime you'd like and add them. We've got 6 different pockets here, so it's great for adding all your little souvenirs as you go. Of course, you could even keep your passport in here if you'd like. Another fun idea would be to grab some stickers and ephemera pieces from collections that you have at home, and you could just stuff these into your pockets. So then when you're on the road and you're journaling, you could pull these out and adhere into your journal as you go along. Now let's take a look at one of my favorite pieces of the new travel album. It's this interactive waterfall folder. So you can see there are so many opportunities for photos in here. There's 7 places for photos on each side. So you could do 14 photos on the top and then put your sentiments on the back side. And just a tip for some of my favorite things to add into your folder: photos of your favorite sites you saw on a vacation, your favorite food memories, funny travel moments, and of course your favorite places you saw. So you can just print out those photos and take some adhesive or washi and just simply add those in. So we love the simplicity of this album, but of course, if you're a Graphic 45er, you can always take those papers, those embellishments, and really do these pages upright. The travel album also features 2 watercolor notebooks. These both have pockets on the inside of the cover, so you can store even more memorabilia in there. And these are great for writing down your itinerary, hidden gems, your top memories. You could staple in, washi, or adhere in your tickets and places you'd love to revisit. Both of these notebooks are 4 1/4 by 8 1/4, and they have 16 pages of this great ivory watercolor paper. Of course, you can use this for more than a travel album. You could use this for a gratitude journal, bullet journal. You could keep your gardening tips and information in here, recipes, So many endless options. We'd love to hear from you in the comments how you're going to use your travel album. We love the new album and can't wait to see how you create with it. Be sure to share your projects with us on social media by tagging Graphic45. And if you're looking for more great walkthroughs and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss a video. We thank you for joining us, and as always, happy paper crafting.